Hello everybody, welcome to the Christmas Assembly.
Yes, we are super excited to read you guys a story, a little Grinch story today. So, let's get started.
Thank you so much to all the prefects who have been working so hard on this. We're so excited. Merry holidays.
Down in Smoothville like the holidays a lot, but the Grinch, who lived just north of Smoothville, did not. The Grinch hated Christmas the whole Christmas season. Now please, don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason.
It could be his lanyard wasn't screwed on just right. It could be perhaps that his shoes were too tight. But I think that the most likely reason of all may have been that his heart was 2 sizes too small. Whatever the reason, his heart or his black polishable shoes, he stood there on Christmas Eve, hating Smooth.
They're hanging their stockings.
He snarled with a sneer.
Tomorrow is Christmas, they're practically here.
Then he growled, with his Grinch fingers nervously drumming.
I must find some way to stop Christmas from coming.
For tomorrow he knew they'd do something he liked least of all.
Every Smoodin down in Smoothville, the tall and the small, would stand masks on with Christmas bells ringing. 6 feet apart the Smoodins would start singing.
We three kings of Orient are, bearing gifts we traverse afar. Field and mountain, moor and mountain, following yonder star. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Born a king on Bethlehem's plain, gold I bring to crown him again. King forever, ceasing never over us all to reign. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Frankincense to offer have I, incense songs the deity nigh, prayer and praising, love and praising, worshiping God most high. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Myrrh is mine, its bitter perfume breathes a life of gathering bloom, sorrowing, sighing, bleeding, dying, sealed in the stone-cold tomb. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Glorious now, behold him arise, King and God as sacrifice. Hallelujah, hallelujah, heaven to earth replies. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light.
Why, for 110 years I've put up with this now. I must stop Christmas from coming. But how?
Then he got an idea, an awful idea. The Grinch got a wonderful, awful idea.
I know just what to do.
The Grinch laughed in his throat, and he made a quick Santa Claus hat and a coat, and he chuckled and clucked.
What a great Grinchy trick. With this hat and this coat, I look just like St. Nick.
So he called his dog Vivat. Then he took some red thread, and he tied a big horn on the top of his head. Then he loaded some bags and on some old empty sacks on a ramshackle sleigh, and he hitched up old Vivat. Then the Grinch said, "Get up!" And the sleigh started down towards Smoo, where the Smootins lay a snooze in their town.
This is stop number 1.
The old Grinchy claws hissed.
These stockings are the first things to go.
Then he slithered and slunk, with a smile most unpleasant, around the whole room, and he took every present. Pop guns and bicycles, roller skates, drums, checkerboards, tricycles, popcorn, and plums. And then he stuffed them in bags. Then the Grinch, very nimbly, stuffed all the bags, one by one, up the chimney.
And now,
Grinned the Grinch.
I will stuff the tree up.
And the Grinch grabbed the tree and he started to shove, when he heard a small sound like the coo of a dove.
Santa Claus.
He turned around fast, and he saw little Cindy Lou Woo, who was not more than 2.
Why? Why are you taking our Christmas tree?
The Grinch had been caught by this tiny Smoo daughter who'd got out of bed for a cup of cold water.
But you know that old Grinch was so smart and so slick. He thought up a lie, and he thought it up quick.
Why, my sweet little tot. There's a light on one side that won't light. So I'm taking it home to my workshop, my dear. I'll fix it up there, and I'll bring it back here.
And his fib fooled the child. Then he patted her head, got her a drink from the refillable water bottle station, and sent her to bed.
Ho, ho, ho.
And when Cindy Lou Woo went to bed with her cup, he went to the chimney and stuffed the tree up.
He went up the chimney himself, the old liar. On their walls he left nothing but hooks and some wire. And the one speck of food that he left in the house was a crumb that was even too small for a mouse. Then he did the same thing to the other boarding houses, leaving crumbs much too small for the other Smoo mouses.
Then he packed up his sled with the presents, the wrappings, the tags, and the tinsel, the trimmings and trappings. 3,000 feet up the side of Mount Ptolemy, he rode with his load into the tip-top to dump it.
Boo-boo to Smoo. They're finding out now that no holidays are coming. All the Smoos down in Smooville will all cry, boo-hoo! What a noise. That's a sound I simply must hear.
So he paused, and the Grinch put his hand to his ear. He did hear a sound rising over the field. It started out low, then it started to grow. But the sound wasn't sad. Why, this sound sounded merry. It couldn't be, but it was merry, very.
Young is coming to town. He's collecting data, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out the heat of melting ice. Mr. Leggett's coming to town. He sees you when you're pretending. He knows when you touch tricked. He knows when you are safe or not, so don't
He started down at Smoothville. The Grinch popped his eyes. Then he shook. What he saw was a shocking surprise. Every Smoodin down at Smoothville, the tall and the small, was singing without any presents at all. He hadn't stopped the holidays from coming. They came. Somehow or other, it came just the same.
It came without ribbons. It came without tags. It came without packages, boxes, or bags.
And he puzzled 3 hours till his puzzler was sore. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe the holidays don't come from a store. Maybe the holidays mean a little bit more.
And what happened then? Well, in Smoothville they say that the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day. And the minute his heart didn't feel quite so tight, he whizzed with his load through the bright morning light and bought back the presents for a holiday surprise.
And the Smoodins all stood singing 6 feet apart, but only in distance and not in their hearts.
Thank you so much for listening, everybody, to our holiday assembly. Me and McEnroe hope you have a really cozy holidays.
Yes, and now we have a quick little message from Mr. Turner.
Hi everybody, I'm delighted to have been invited to send an end of term holiday Christmas message to you all at the end of an extraordinary year. You've done fantastically well, awesome, kudos to you all. Thank you so much for being flexible, adaptable and making the very best of this last term. And I hope now that the holiday season approaches, you're able to have a really good relaxation and that we will come together again in January, all determined to make the very most of 2021. So thanks to the prefects for organising this. Thanks to you all and go well. Have a wonderful holiday and Happy New Year when it arrives.
And now we will be singing the 12 Days of Christmas. Everyone, please feel free to sing parts 1 through 8.
And make sure to go crazy on your grade.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 goldrings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 grains of milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies dancing, 8 grains of milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 lords a-leaping, 9 ladies dancing,
8 maids a-milking,
7 swans a-swimming,
6 geese a-laying,
5 gold rings, 4 hummingbirds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping,
10 lords a-leaping,
9 ladies dancing,
8 maids a-milking,
7 swans a-swimming,
6 geese a-laying,
5 gold rings, 4 hummingbirds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping,
10 lords a-leaping,
9 ladies dancing,
8 maids a-milking,
7 swans a-swimming,
6 geese a-laying,
5 gold rings, 4 hummingbirds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves,